If words like quick, Cajun spiced, and cost-effective float your boat, then Jeannie's Kickin' Fried Fish will definitely please you greatly. To get started, let's make a two-step breading for our tilapia. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 1 egg with 1/3 cup of milk. In a second shallow bowl, mix together a 1/2 cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of roasted onion flakes, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of blackened seasoning, 2 pinches of crushed red pepper flakes if you wish, and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste of each, freshly ground black pepper and freshly ground sea salt. We've got 1 pound of tilapia fillets, about 6 ounces each, that we've rinsed and patted dry. Dip each fillet into the egg batter and then gently press into the breading on both sides. Repeat with the remaining tilapia and then refrigerate them for about 15 minutes. This will help the breading adhere. Now heat 1½ tablespoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of butter in a cast iron frying pan over medium heat. Remove the tilapia from the refrigerator and pan fry until the coating is golden brown and the fish is opaque, about 3 minutes per side. Then remove the fillets to paper towels to drain excess oil. These golden fillets of Kickin' Fried Fish are perfect when enjoyed with a squeeze of lemon and a nice cold beverage.